Alright guys, I'm going to show you a fairly simple way to repair the leather here in the door panel that comes delaminated. Mine was delaminated up here and quite a bit up here. So you can do this with a car door card panel in place, but you would still need to pull the panel away from the door down here, and of course you'd have to remove the, let me get it on camera here, you have to move the Torx bolt here, move the cover, pull the torque bolt, and you can pull it out. The leather wraps around the door card here on the back side, and what I've done is taken a dowel rod, I think it's about an 1/8 inch dowel rod, and a couple of feet of 3/16 fuel line for small engines that you should be able to use. And one of the things we're going to do is use this glue here.
This is glue, strong stuff.
And I picked this one because it has a male nozzle. If you, the 3/16 line will fit tightly over this nozzle. If you use one with a female nozzle and it has the little red plastic piece that sticks out, I suggest that when you insert it, you put a dab of super glue on it, and then when you insert the other end of that red tube into here, you put a little super glue on there too, because you don't want this disconnected while you're spraying glue. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to push the glue through the tube all the way to the end of the dowel rod. It'll come out on the other end down here, and we're just going to work it back and forth this way. After we get the glue in there, we'll just press it against the panel with our hands, and that should take care of the problem. Alright, so I flipped the card around because it's a little easier for me to do. But the bottom line is I'm going to start spraying now, and you can feel the dowel rod with your fingers of for in my case the right hand, and we're going to go ahead and spray. And you don't need to flood this thing, but you will feel the temperature difference once you start spraying in there. And we'll work the dowel rod back a little more and spray again, and then I'm going to pull the dowel rod and point it toward the bottom, spray again, and I'm going to keep moving the dowel rod around and spray again. I'm also going to suggest that you, even the part that remains laminated, you push through with the dowel rod and loosen it up and respray it, because it's just going to be a matter of time before what's still adhered to the door card is going to come loose. So I'll continue to do this here. Pause the video. When we push the glue in, now I just work it through with your hand, pressing it against the door card. Again, like I said, you can feel it temperature-wise. It's cold, and it takes a little while to work it in. Just work it in with your fingers, and it will adhere. To the door panel. So once you get it worked out and get it fitted there, you can rewrap the end of the panel. I added glue there too, and once you rewrap it, it should last you for several years.